Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, please see my bar graph. I have colored them all.
It has been a lot of time already, and the students have still not joined the meeting. Many, very few
Graph ones. You had seen Unnati yesterday also, but you had not seen mine.
Beta Rishika, you are showing it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Very nice. It is looking very good. Just a minute.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sorry. Just a minute. Show it again. Rishika.
Today what we will do?
Then I'm showing.
Just a
Sir,
minute.
is my correct?
I'm not able to find your video. Where is it? Earlier I got it. Now again it is lost. Yes, got it.
Sir, after Rishika, can you see my?
My correct?
It is not coming, Rishika. The quality of video is low. Achha, your video quality is low.
Sir, I had sent on group also. You can see on group.
Okay.
Sir, so after Rishika, can you see my?
Sir, please see on group. Have I made any mistake or it is correct?
It is correct. I can see. I saw yours, Rishika. It is correct.
Okay,
Sir, now mine, please.
Unnati, now you show.
Sir, I have colored all the graphs.
All the bars with different colors. Chalo, theek hai, but this is okay in a single bar graph. When you are making a double bar graph, you cannot color with different colors. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is okay.
Sir, have we done
very nice. Very nice. Have you done shading also in your bars? Shading
Yes, sir.
Arey, wow, very nice.
Sir, only this one.
Only this one. तो मतलब पूरा time spend किया है इसके साथ, हैं?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Anyone else who is showing it? Rishika has also made very neat and clean.
Sir, have we completed our chapter of bar graph?
We have to discuss some parts of the questions. Have we discussed the sub parts of question 2, 3, and 4 yet or not? I think
no, sir.
We have not discussed.
Sir, last time somebody was doing the questions and we waited for them.
Okay, some students were doing, so we were not able to complete it.
Yes, sir.
Now today we are going to do it. Okay, so yes, all of you open page.
Sir, what we are doing as I am joined late.
Open page number 177.
Okay, sir, open.
Open page number 177. Now in this page, you can see question number 2. There are sub parts, parts A, B, C, D. There are 4 parts of question 2. We have to just answer them in the, write your answers in the graph copies, right side if you have a space on the right side of your graph copy. Write the answers of these parts in the copies. Okay, we are going to discuss them.
Yes, sir, here.
So you can see the bar graph of question 2. You all have made it. Bar graph open kariye apna. And looking at the bar graph, you have to answer. Okay. Have you all opened it in your copies?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first part, I want answers from you all. Which is the most popular snack?
Sir, that is the ice cream.
Others, answer दीजिए.
Sir, ice cream.
That is ice cream.
Very good. Very
Ice
nice.
cream.
Ice cream. Mridul beta, how are you? Mridul, your voice is not coming. No voice. Sorry. Still, I know you are able to listen to me, but I am not able to hear you. I don't know what is the problem. Maybe because of
Sir, I think he has network. She has network
issue.
issue, I think.
Nothing else. I am fine, she's saying. Please try to say something so that I am able to find out what the problem is. Say something.
Hello, sir.
नहीं,
Hello,
मृदुल,
sir.
मृदुल से कह रहा हूँ. अक्षित भारद्वाज, hello. I am asking Mridul to speak. मृदुल नहीं आ रही है. हाँ, अब आई थोड़ी सी. हाँ. How are you, Mridul? How are you?
Sir, I'm fine.
Fine. दीदी क्या कर रही है? What is Anjali doing?
She is studying for her pre-board.
She is studying for a pre-board. अच्छा. कहाँ पर है
Yes,
pre-board? आज दीदी का pre-board कहाँ पर है?
Sir, at your house.
At my home. अच्छा, she's going to come.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा. चलो ठीक है. Thank you. चलिए.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so first part, you all have given the answer. The answer is ice cream is the most favorite snack.
Yes, sir.
Most popular. Second part, again, I want answer from you all. Which is the least popular snack?
Sir, apples.
Apples. पहली
So
बात
that's
तो
two.
apples को snack की category में डालना ही मुझे थोड़ा अजीब सा लग रहा है. Because I don't think apple
Yes,
is
sir, it would be a fruit.
So that is why it is the least popular one. Okay. It is least
Okay, sir.
popular क्योंकि
Yes, sir.
students don't like eating fruits. They like eating pizzas, burgers, ice
Sir,
cream.
sir, I hope two children were believing
I
that
love
an
fruits
apple a day
except
keeps the doctor away.
Rishika is the one. Yeah, out of these two students, one is Rishika who likes apples, fruit.
Sir, I love fruits but except apples and pineapples.
Oh, apple पसंद नहीं है Rishika.
No, sir, the juicy apples are very tasty.
Sir, I don't like pineapple also.
The juicy and cold one.
अच्छा, so Rishika.
Sir, I like pineapple.
Rishika,
Sir, I
Rishika, if I give you a choice between an ice cream and an orange, what will you choose?
Sir, sir, you have given the choice that I both like a lot.
So you have to choose
Sir,
only.
I'll choose orange.
You'll
It's
choose
very
orange
juicy,
instead of
yummy.
yummy juicy. So चलो ठीक है. मैं आइसक्रीम ऑर्डर करने वाला था ऋषिका के लिए. कोई बात नहीं, मैं खुद ही खा लूंगा. आप क्या करूँगा? चलिए ठीक है. मजबूरी वाली बात है, मुझे खुद ही.
Sir, for my choice, I definitely like ice
Sir,
cream.
but I like eating. Sir, but I like eating apples.
No, sir,
it
you
is
can
very
give it to
juicy.
me.
अच्छा.
Sir, what is your favorite flavor among all the cakes? Chocolate, strawberry,
Cake.
pineapple.
I don't like eating cakes much because I have become a little health
Sir,
conscious
but which,
these days. So
sir,
still,
but which
if I
flavor
have
do
to
you like most?
choose, if I have to choose any one of these,
Sir, you are just like me, not eating cakes anymore to be health conscious.
very good, very good, very good. You are very aware of all these things in such a small age. Nice going. Okay, so if I choose any one of the flavors, I will choose chocolate truffle.
Sir, I love chocolate, dark chocolate.
Chocolate truffle is one of my favorites.
Sir, in ice cream, I like orange bar and choco bar.
Very nice. Orange bar and choco bars. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर सी। बहुत हो गई खाने पीने की बातें, मुझे भूख लगने लगेगी। लेट्स कम बैक टू द स्टडीज। So Ishika is enjoying the class a lot. Ishika, how are you?
Sir, good.
Good. How many
Yes,
more
sir.
children like wafers? Okay, Ishika will give the answer of this one. Ishika,
Three.
how many more children like
4.
wafers than sandwiches? Ishika will answer. ये कितनी Ishika आ गई है इस class में?
3 children.
Yes, 3. Very good. Can you explain how, Ishika?
Sir, we will subtract like sandwiches are 4 in number and wafers are 7 in number. So we will subtract 4 with 7. So answer will come 3.
Very good. So wafers, the number of
Sorry,
wafers,
sir.
number of students who like wafers are 7. Number of children who like sandwiches are 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So we can say that 3 more children like wafers as compared to sandwiches. Answer is 3. 7 minus 4 equal to 3.
Sir, I minused ice cream number by wafers.
Which is wrong. Okay, so write. I hope you all are writing your answers in your notebooks. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last part of the question. How many children like ice creams and cakes? And cakes. Ice creams and cakes. That means you have to add them. Add करके answer बताना. Ice cream and cakes कितने हो गए? Tell me the answer. 11 plus
17.
17. Sir, because we will add ice creams and cakes both, so the sum will come 17.
Yes. So total number of children who like ice creams and cakes are 11 plus 6 equal to 17. Okay, write the answer in your copies. In your own words, you can write your answers. Okay. The students are very capable of doing a lot of things themselves. All the students are very good in this class. Okay,
Thank you,
question
sir.
3. Let's start discussing question 3. Question 3, all of you open the bar graph of question 3 in your copies. You all have made it, already made it in your copies, question 3. The bar graph is already there in your copies. So open it. It is a double bar graph again. So first part of the question, in which subject did he मतलब राहुल, in which subject did Rahul score? Okay, जिससे मैं पूछूंगा वो आंसर करेगा. Okay. So Rupanshi is going to answer. Rupanshi is there. Hello, Rupanshi.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In which subject did Rahul score the highest in the annual exam? Highest in the annual exam. Which subject? Rupanshi will tell.
Math.
Sorry?
No.
Rupanshi.
Yes.
Math.
अरे शौर्य, तुम्हारा नाम रूपांशी, घर पे मम्मी रूपांशी बुलाती है?
Shaurya, are you Rupanshi?
हैं? मम्मी रूपांशी बुलाती है, पापा रूपांशी बुलाते हैं?
Sir,
शौर्य.
he is Rupanshu also, Ishika also.
हाँ. Let Rupanshi answer the question. Rupanshi is there or not? I think she has left the meeting somehow. Maybe some network problem. Okay, no problem. कोई बात नहीं. So दूसरी रूपांशी आंसर बताएंगी. रूपांशी, शौर्य बताओ आंसर. Now you tell me the answer, Shaurya.
Sir, science.
अबे
Science.
Science, yes. नहीं, annual exams में पूछ रहे हैं. Annual, हाँ, science is the answer. Correct. Highest he has scored in science in the annual exams. ठीक है? 80. How many marks he has scored in science? 80 marks. So his highest in the annual exam is in science. So science is the answer of the first part. Okay, second part answer will be given by Karthik Khandelwal. Karthik Khandelwal, are you there? Karthik Khandelwal, are you there?
Sorry, sir, I was disconnected. On which one we are?
We are discussing the second part.
Second one.
Second one. Karthik, are you able to listen to me or not? नहीं.
What's up?
हाँ, अरे क्या हुआ? ब्रश करने चले गए थे क्या? टीथ? Are you able to listen?
Coffee.
हाँ. Now you have to answer the second part. Karthik, आवाज आ रही है? कार्तिक बेटा बता तो दो. अच्छा, बुक खोल रहा है अभी लड़का. आवाज आ रही है बुक खोलने की? माइक ऑन करके आप बुक को ओपन कर रहे हो, बुक या कॉपी व्हाटएवर. अब माइक ऑफ कर लिया.
Yes, sir. Which question?
आप मुझसे नहीं पूछ रहे.
चलो कार्तिक, you answer. We are on question number 3, second part. What were you doing? इतनी देर से क्या कर रहे थे? हाँ, जल्दी बताओ. Give me the answer. Question 3, second part. Read the question and answer. जल्दी बताओ. Karthik, read the question and answer.
Which are the subjects where he has improved his score since the half yearly exam?
Half yearly exams, if we compare in the annual exams as compared to the half yearly exams, which subject he has improved? कौन से subjects में उसने improve किया है? बताइए.
Sir, 3 subjects.
अरे
English.
कार्तिक हैं आप? हाँ जी कार्तिक, बताओ बेटा.
English.
हाँ.
English, Hindi, social studies.
Very good, excellent. So चलो, कार्तिक जाग गए. कार्तिक सो रहे थे. अब कार्तिक
No, my turn, sir. You are not asking
अरे
me.
ऋषिका, let me discuss this. ये तो complete कर लें या नहीं करें? चलो. So the answer is English, Hindi and social studies.
We have to do this
Mine is correct.
in book only.
You have to do this in your copies on the right side of your graph copies. Right hand side page.
Okay, sir.
चलो कार्तिक खुश हो गए. चलो राइट साइड वाला पेज यूज में आ गया. खुश हो गया लड़का. चलिए ऋषिका, you answer the third part.
Sir, in which subject did he score minimum in the half yearly SST?
हाँ, मिनिमम स्कोर हाफ ईयरली में कौन से सब्जेक्ट में था? SST, सोशल स्टडीज. वेरी गुड. Got it, all of you? His minimum score was in social studies in half yearly exams. So write down the answer.
Yes, sir.
Studies. D part answer will be given by Abhay Rana. Abhay Rana, बताइए. Give the answer of D part. Read the question and give the answer. जल्दी. अभय नहीं बताएंगे तो आयुष्मान बताएंगे. आयुष्मान बताओ.
Sir, we have to write the questions also.
नहीं, you have to write the answer only.
Thank you, sir.
आयुष्मान, जल्दी quickly answer the question. अरे क्या कर रहे हैं ये बच्चे? सो रहे हैं? क्या कर रहे हैं?
D question we have to do the method also.
बेटा अच्छा चलो, let me help you in this one. Find his average score in the annual exams. चलो इसमें मैं help कर देता हूँ आपकी. Average निकालना आप सबको आता है? Okay. So annual
Yes,
exams
sir.
का average score निकालने के लिए you have to add all the marks of annual exams and then divide it by 5.
By 5.
Sum of observations upon number of observations. This is the formula of average. So look at the board. I am doing it on the board.
Sir, is the answer 299%?
Average is equal to percent में कैसे आ गया आंसर? It is average. Percent में कैसे आता है? 60 plus 70 plus 75, 80 and 70. 75 plus 80 plus 70. This is the
Sir, is the answer 299?
divided by 5 because these are 5 subjects. So sum of observations upon number of observations. This is the formula. 60 plus 70 130 plus 80 हो गया आपके 210 plus 70 हो गया 280 280 plus 75 is equal to 355 upon 5. So this is 71. Average is equal to 71. Got it,
So
all
we
of
have
you?
studied the average
Yes, sir.
average questions. So sir, we know how to do that.
Yes, very good. So this is a question of bar graph as well as average. दोनों का combination हो गया. Very good. Nice question.
Yes, sir. I was also thinking that.
Question 4. So I think you can answer these questions on your own easily. Start doing them. Question 4. All the parts. All of you. और let me tell you very important thing. All of you. एक बात ध्यान से सुनिए question 4 के लिए. The D and E parts. Again, you have to find average in the last two parts of question 4. You will find your answer in decimal up to 2 decimal places. Decimal में आंसर निकालेंगे 2 decimal place तक. Got it, everyone? D and E parts. Last two parts of question.
Okay, sir.
Start doing them. I am giving you 10 minutes to do these questions. All the parts of question 4. Start doing.
Sir, I will do in 5 minutes.
अरे Have you all done all the parts of question 4?
Yes, sir.
Yes. तो बच्चे
Yes,
गायब?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Many students have left the meeting. Okay, so we will discuss these parts tomorrow. Tomorrow I have a period. Yes, I have, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will discuss all these parts tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye bye. All of you.
Bye, sir. Have
Thank
a
you,
nice
sir.
day.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir. Bye,
sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
bye sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.